Squirrels got in here and built a nest. They started it up and killed 3 squirrels. I've never seen that before. And find out where they got in there at. Wow. Well, had to come to the parts store for the old Kabotas. I don't know how many of you like Kabotas. I think they're okay. This is Coleman equipment, and they have a pretty good store here. Had to pick up the radiator fan for the skid steer that gentleman had in the shop. I've never seen a squirrel build a nest inside of the engine compartment like that. They ended up gaining access to the engine from the radius arms where the cylinders connect. Absolutely the craziest thing. He's really lucky it didn't ruin his radiator, but yeah, we'll see what else happens today. Well, squirrels are cleaned out. Pulled 3 dead ones out. They knocked this belt off and they knocked that belt off. Luckily it didn't do no damage, but it's crazy. Did a little bit of damage to the shroud, but it ain't enough to make any difference. Absolutely insane. Well, there you have it. We'll lift the cab up on it and make sure there's no more nests in there. I must say I am very impressed that this little 2-wheel drive Honda can go through that snow as easy as it is. I have a feeling because it's a nice heavy snow, so it kind of gives you a little bit of traction. If it was powder, it probably wouldn't. But we're out here checking, make sure no trees falling on the fence. I don't think they'd get out right now, but I'd rather be safe than sorry because I hate chasing cows. It's just absolutely crazy in here. If anybody, these gloves are awesome. Let's see if I can get you. I highly recommend them. Anyways, get back to checking these fences, and it's supposed to get down to 9 below 0 this weekend, so I think I might cut me a little bit of the hedge. Got a pile over there that's down. That steel starts up every time. Got a couple Johnson Reds too, they're pretty good. But yeah, I'd like to have 4-wheel drive, but you know what? If it works, don't fix it. I'm going to show you something else. This is a spring. I've had cattle here about 4 years, and I've never had to chop ice, knock on wood. There's a spring right here. Let's see if you can see the water pumping out. And it feeds that creek down there. I'm very blessed to have that, that's for sure. Absolutely crazy. I need to get an excavator up here and cut into it and put a perforated pipe. I think I might have messed up. This is a drift here, and I might be huffing and puffing here. Anyways, I thought that would be pretty cool to show you guys. Here in Missouri, we got a lot of springs. A whole lot of springs. There's some more of that spring. It's crazy because this is totally another spring other than that one I just showed you, but It's all rock all the way up through there. And on up there, there's nothing. But it starts coming right out of those rocks, the riverbed there. It's just, this ground's worth a lot of money, probably just because of that. Can't hardly price water, that's for sure. All right, we'll catch you at the next little clip. Got the Johnson red out. I should have done this last week when we didn't have snow, but procrastination kills, you know. Just wanted to thank everybody for watching the video, and hopefully we'll get some more pumped out. I try not to make too many boring ones. If they do get boring, or just let me know. Thanks.